Let me ask you, how does your body remember a virus like COVID for months or even years? Can cells have real memory like brain cells? If so, do they ever forget? Hi, I'm Daniel, and this is Daniel Explains Science, where we make big ideas small enough to smile at. Today's question: does your cells have memory? Let's find out. Let's start with a story we all lived through COVID-19. When you get the virus or vaccines, your immune system didn't just fight it off, it remembered it. It made memory B cells and T cells that stuck around sometimes for years. So next time the same virus or one of its cousins tries to sneak in, boom, your body recognizes it instantly and fights faster. That's why some people get middle symptoms or not symptom on it the second times. This is immunomemory, a beautiful hard-working biological notebook. Fun fact: this whole idea of training the immune system goes back to the 17th, 18th century with a talkative British guy named Edward Jenner, who used cowbacks to fight smallpox. And let's just say he didn't exactly pass unethical ways abroad first. DNA's sticky notes. But your immune cells aren't the only ones with memory. Ever heard of epigenetics? Your DNA is the same in every cell, but cells don't act the same. A skin cell and a brain cell act in a selfish way, only reading the genes they need. Epigenetic marks are like sticky notes on DNA telling cells what to do, what to use. These marks can be inherited by daughter cells when they divided. This is how your body remembers which cell are liver, which are skin, even after billions of divisions. But it's not always good news. Environmental factors, pollutants, diet, stress can violate your cell's healthy imagination and lay down harmful epigenetic marks. Scientists even worry those changes might affect your children or grandchildren. Future tech, CRISPR and epigenetic editing could alter, transfer, even restore healthy patterns. It's one of the most exciting frontiers in biomedicine today. Repair and regeneration. Explaining with stem cells are another incredible case. They pursue tissue repair, but they don't just grow randomly. They adapt to local signals, remembering their tissue type. This potential memory is why a skin graft from your leg doesn't become scalp skin. Imagine a future where lab grown organs can perfectly match your body needs. Early studies in our century really sparked this regenerative medicine field, and today companies are conducting clinical trials with stem cell therapies for heart disease, spinal injuries, and more. Now, let's talk about your brain, my favorite. Neurons are super talkative cells. When you learn something new, you strengthen connection called synapses. This is cellular memory too. Its molecular proteins change, genes get expressed differently. And get this, even single-celled organisms have shown basic learning behaviors. Simple models can learn to avoid unpleasant stimuli faster over time. It's wild, it's imagination, but it's real science. Where is this going? This field is only getting bigger. Biologists want to facilitate precise tissue repair, implement safer gene editing, and enforce ethical guidelines. There's a huge sense of responsibility to make sure we don't deprive a future generation of safety. Companies are conducting cutting edge research on those new technologies right now. CRISPR epigenetic drugs, synthetic biology. It's like living in this scientific fiction movie already. If you enjoyed this, leave a comment about what topic you want to see next. Science is for everyone. Even easy peasy explanation can have real impact. Thank you for watching Daniel Explains Science. And don't lose your patience if I talk too much because I'm self-employed here. See you next time.